Developers in every industry can now unlock the power of ARM with the new hosted runners in GitHub Actions. The new runners offer significant power, performance, and sustainability improvements and increased price to performance ratios. These runners are fully managed by GitHub with an image built by ARM containing all the tools to help developers get started faster. Setting up the GitHub hosted ARM runners is simple. Navigate to the GitHub organization settings. Expand the general settings for GitHub Actions. Click on Runners. Select New GitHub hosted runner under New Runner. Specify a name for the runner. You can select either Linux ARM64 or Windows ARM64 platform. Click Save. You can filter by and select a partner image provided by ARM. Click Save. Now, select the machine size and click Save. You can choose the maximum concurrency to specify the number of jobs that can run at the same time. You can also specify a runner group under permissions and assign a unique and static public IP address for this runner. Click Create Runner. Your runner is now ready to be used by developers across your organization. Simply copy the label and update the runs on key in your Actions workflow YAML file. You can control permissions for ARM runners through the runner group. You can specify what repositories can access the runners and restrict the runners to specific workflows. You can also set the network configurations here. In order to learn more, click this link.